If your Tinkercad workspace feels too small, crowded, or hard to manage, the good news is that you do not need to physically expand the infinite workspace to get more room. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your Tinkercad workspace feel much bigger by freeing up screen space, adjusting your grid settings, and using a couple of camera tricks that make large projects much easier to work on. This is especially helpful if you're building something detailed, arranging many objects, or just trying to stay organized while designing. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Tinkercad and 3D design tips. Let's jump right in. First, let's maximize the space you can actually see on your screen. One of the easiest ways to make Tinkercad feel larger is by collapsing the side panels. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the Shapes panel. Click the arrow icon to hide it, and instantly you'll have more horizontal room for your project. That extra space can make a huge difference when you're working with larger models or trying to place multiple parts side by side. Next, use the Fit View option to quickly bring everything into view. You can press Shift and F on your keyboard or click the Fit View icon if you see it on screen. This is a fast way to zoom your camera so that all of your objects fit neatly in the workspace. If you've zoomed too far in or lost track of where your model is, this shortcut is a lifesaver. It helps you reorient yourself and makes the workspace feel much more manageable. Another useful shortcut is hiding objects that are cluttering your view. If certain parts are getting in the way while you're working, select them and press H to hide them. Then when you need them back, press Ctrl, Shift, and H to unhide them. This is a great way to reduce visual clutter and create the feeling of a larger, cleaner workspace while you're designing. Now, let's talk about the grid settings, because sometimes the workspace feels cramped not because it is too small, but because the grid is not set up for the size of project you're building. To change that, click the Edit Grid button in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, you can switch the preset from Tinkercad to Custom, or choose a larger grid size like 400mm by 400mm. Then click Update Grid. This gives you a larger working area for bigger builds and helps you plan out larger projects more easily. If you're making a big model, a wide layout, or anything with a lot of parts, adjusting the grid can make a big difference. If your workspace still feels small or laggy, the next trick is all about the camera. Tinkercad gives you a few view options that can completely change how large the workspace feels. Start by clicking the Home icon on the top left of the view cube. This resets the camera to a bird's eye view, which is incredibly useful when you want to see how much space you really have left. It helps you understand your layout from above and makes it easier to position objects accurately. You can also switch to the flat or orthographic view by clicking the flat view icon under the view cube. This removes perspective distortion, so objects do not appear to shrink or grow based on camera angle. That makes it much easier to align parts across a large workspace and place them exactly where you want them. If you've ever struggled to line up shapes or measure distance visually, this view can make the process much smoother. So, to quickly recap, if you want to make your Tinkercad workspace feel bigger, start by hiding the side panels, use Fit View to reset your camera, hide objects that are in the way, adjust the grid size for larger projects, and use the Home and Flat View options to improve visibility and control. These small changes can make a huge difference in how comfortable and efficient your workflow feels. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Tinkercad tutorials, beginner tips, and simple design tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.